Hi, I'm Maria Cristina Valencia, 40 years old. I'm willing to have a good man. I'm willing to have to find a good man. I will love you forever. I will find to respect and we love. Uh, I'm willing to have any age. It doesn't matter how old you are. As much we respect each other. We love each other. I will respect you, and the important is the respect and love. My hobby is um, watching movie, uh, walking in the ocean, and thank you for the video. Hope we can chat soon.